Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hadi Rofekal from the head of Group 2 Sintila, and here are some of my members. First, Tintin Paulina. Second, Tresia Febriana Tambunan. Third, Muhammad Yaakob. And the last one is Tegar Mahendriagas. We from the Sintila Group would like to present the result of our work to fulfill the midterm exam English 2 course with the supervisor, Miss Nika Haryanti. Let's start with Tintin Paulina for the opening material.
Well, thank you so much, Rofi, for the opportunity. Okay, I'm here to explain product or idea promotion. In running a business or project, it is necessary to promote it to the public in several ways, which is I will discuss. First, about the definition. Definition of promotion is to notify, inform, over, persuade, or disseminate product or service to potential consumers with the aim of making these potential consumers finally able to make purchase or taking the idea. And then the purpose of the promotion is to present information to consumers and others to increase brand awareness, create interest, generate sales, or create brand loyalty. It is the one of the basic elements of the market mix, which is include product, price, place, and promotion. Next, in promoting, there are several techniques that can be used for techniques. The first advertising, and then the second sales promotion, and then publicity, and the last direct marketing. First, advertising. Advertising is a marketing communication that employees and openly sponsor non-personal message to promote or sell a product, service, or idea. There are three main objectives of advertising: to inform about the brand or offering, to persuade, to buy or perform a task, and to remind and reinforce the brand message. There are to persuade, to remind, and to inform. Media in advertising, namely electronic, like a newspaper, social media like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and the others. And the second, sales promotion. The sales or creator can choose the sales to promote the product who able to explain the product well and persuade them to buy it or embrace the idea. Next, publicity. Publicity creates public awareness of yourself, your business, or your brand, product, or service through media coverage and other forms of communication like a testimonial. And then the last, direct marketing. Direct marketing is a type of marketing campaign whose goal to initiate a personal relationship between the customer and the marketing organization. Direct marketing can be presentation, explanation, brochure, email, and the others.
Okay, thank you, Tintin, for explaining the ID promotion and the technique. So we can know that this promotion is very important to support the product business to the public. Next material, we can continue with the Tegar Mahendriagas.
Okay, thank you, Rofi, for the opportunity. I will here explain to the topic that have been given by Miss Nika from the previous group assignment, namely sales promotion. In our project assignment, we got a sales promotion section. Here we introduce our business, namely a shoe washing service called Panorama. The advantage we offer, and number one, easy to run because doesn't require certain skill. Number two, wide market share, especially in urban area. Number three, relatively low level of competition. And the last one is the potential for the business profits is huge. Marketing strategy. Innovate to the develop service product and find suppliers of raw materials at the lower price with the premium quality. In the intensifying promotional activities in the area around the business location And the last one is minimize customer complaint by guaranteeing good quality and guaranteeing service. Target marketing segmentation. This business target the market from 17 until 30 years old and preferably students and boarding children because we offer lower price compared to the other competitor. Next, after I explain the sales promotion material and the technique, for the next subject, we will discuss scientific report material with definition. Scientific report is one of type text in English that describe the details of an object. A scientific report, a document, all aspect of an experimental investigation, research, observation, and studies or on various things. Next, general rules about writing scientific report. Number one is passive voice, which you should avoid when writing for other subject like English, past tense language, heading and subheading, a pencil draw to scientific diagram and graphic, simple and clear line for the scientific diagram. That's the explanation of the material from me. I return it to be the chairman. Thank you.
You're welcome, Tagar, for the explanation. Furthermore, will be discussed by Tresia Febren Tamunan. Tresia is welcome.
Thank you, Rofi, for the opportunity. Now we will continue about the structure of the scientific report. The structure of the scientific report consists of 9 parts. Now we will explain part of the structure of the scientific report. Next, title. The title is a detailed description of the scientific report. In the scientific report that we have been working on entitled Correlation Factors on nails. The next is introduction background. The introduction background is a paragraph that contains the problem to be studied and provides information about the experiment carried out. In the scientific report that we have been working, introduction background in our scientific reports is about the understanding of correlation and the factor that cause correlation in nails. So the cause of correlation on nails is due to the material from the nail itself and from the environment. And corrosion can be defined as the process of degradation or destruction of metal that occur due to electrochemical reaction in spontaneous equilibrium with the environment. Next is M. The M identifies what is going to be tested in the experiment. This should be short, concise, and clear. In the scientific report that we have been working, the M is experiment is 1, knowing the processes of rats and nails with a variety of treatment. 2, find out what factors that cause nails corrosion. 3, find out how to corrosion prevention on nails. The next is hypothesis. The hypothesis is a prediction of the outcome of the experiment. You have to use background information to make an educated prediction. In the scientific report that we have been working, the hypothesis is nails that are in the solution. A solution that is different can cause corrosion. The such solution is one of the factors that cause the occurrence of corrosion on the nails quickly. Thank you so much. I will return it to the Rofi.
Okay. Thank you, Tresia, for the explanation. We can continue with Muhammad Yaakob.
Okay, thank you, Rofi, for the opportunity. Here I will continue the discussion from Tresia. The structure of the next scientific report is risk assessment. Risk assessment is identify the hazard associated with the experiment by providing a method to prevent or minimize the risk. Hazard is something that can cause harm, and risk is the possibility of loss from that hazard. Tables are a great way to present your risk assessment, like the this picture, the scientific picture report is more organized and know the level of danger and how to handle it. Okay, next. Okay. Method. The method has two parts. The first is list of every material used, and the second step of what you did in the experiment. Material use. This must list every piece of equipment and material you use in the experiment. Remember, you need to also specify the amount of each material you use. Example look like in the following picture. This picture, which is the material used from corrosion testing on Nile. The second step. Step. The rule of thumb is that you should write the method in a clear way so that reader can repeat the experiment and get similar result. The first written in the sequential order based on the time of execution. Second, determine the equipment used, and third, determine the amount of material used. You also need to use the past tense and the passive voice when you write your method. Scientific report should show reader what you did in the experiment, not what you will do. Okay, next. Result. This result is where you document the result of your experiment. The data that you record for your experiment will generally be qualitative and or quantitative. Next. Discussion. Discussion is a negotiation or exchange of idea to gain an understanding of the cause of problem and its solution. On the slide, it is already stated about our discussion in the scientific report text. Okay, if this all I can say, I will return into the chairman copy.
Okay, thank you, Jakob, for the explanation.
Okay.
Next, we will discuss about the translator application that we use in our scientific reports, namely the Google Translate application. Why we use Google Translation Web? This is because Google Translate is more accessible because it is available on the web and can be downloaded via smartphone. And Google Translate is also familiar to the today generation, and of course, it is completely free. Google Translate have a advantage. One, provide language. Second, can translate via link. Third, support voice or audio. Fourth, have a many feature, including a voice translator, camera translator, and some of feature that very convenient and different from other translator. And also Google Translate have difficulties. It is accuracy. Sometimes to translate word in a sentence and some paragraph, Google Translate will give a quite confusing result. Sometimes the translate result look a lot like a robot and make no sense. However, if you want to translate word by word, Google Translate always give an accurate translation result. Okay, thank you. And in conclusion, promotion is to notify, inform, persuade, or disseminate product or service to potential consumer with the aim of making this potential consumer and finally be able to make a purchase, taking the idea. By using this strategy, you as a business owner, marketer, or executive member of the company will have a clear sale flow from where to market to the promotion of what strategy to use. And the second subject is about a scientific report. Is a one type of a text in English that describe the detail of an object, and a scientific report document all aspects of experimental investigation, research, observation, and studies on various things. And the structure of the scientific report has a 9 stage. So from the result of the discussion that we can convey, more and less, please forgive us. I'll end it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.